Well, it has been one hell of a day working around here at the shop. Lots on the go. Mike was working on the Falcon again today. And we've got the Ford pickup. Got all the ignition wires on it and power steering pump and a whole bunch of shit there done. But the main goal, oh, here we go, I forgot the main goal. This car, 62 Buick Invicta with a 401 nailhead in it, rebuilt. All the electrical's good. Windows all work, power windows, nice wheels, red lines as you can see. What else can I tell you? It's got it's got the power window in the back. It's got nice interior in there. Let's come around here. I think I locked that door. This is a friend of mine's car. Had a little issue. It kind of broke down on him. Just an electrical issue. No biggie. We got to figure it out. There you go. Look at that, eh? All original. There's absolutely no rust in the floorboards of this car anywhere if you put it up on the lift. It is solid as a rock. Now that's original interior, so yeah, is it a 10 out of 10? Of course not. It's, for original interior, I'd give this car a good 7, 7.5. Clean it up and away you go. All right. So we'll see if we can get the hood popped here. Give me half a second. I'm going to set this camera down, guys. It's going to look like a shit show going on here right now. Where do you open this son of a bitch? Here we go. Oh, my fuck, man. Don't have to go to the gym when I'm lifting this up. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Got the nice finned valve covers on there. Just put a brand new Edelbrock carb on there. Like I said, he had a couple little issues. Everything is good other than that. Anyway, if somebody is interested, this car is up for sale. Now we are located in Chilliwack, BC. See, we've got the roof rack on there. Check that out. How cool is that? Put your luggage up there, put your mother-in-law up there, do whatever you're going to do. Strap her to a chair, maybe put the dog up there too. Anyway, we're located in Chilliwack, BC. Get hold of me through an email if you're seriously interested. Don't waste my time. Don't ask me questions. I'll just pass the information along. You give me your number and I'll pass it along to him. That's how simple it'll be. There you go. 1962 Buick Wagoon. Okay, now, what's so exciting today? I don't know. Went to the gym at 7:30, finished up at 9, went over there, helped Buddy get the car running, brought it over here to give it the final look over. And we're going to be out here till around 11 o'clock tonight. You know why we're going to be out here? Because guess what? Old Carried Away is getting some paint today. That's right, interior. Let's check it out. So we got all the bits and pieces hanging up here, as you can see, all masked off. Now the dash on this car was two-tone, so Sean's going to do one of the colors right now, the one base color. We're doing base coat, clear coat, so he's going to do one color now, and then later tonight, George, my painter, will come in and he'll finish off the rest. So we got all these parts and pieces going on, even the engine is sitting right there, all done. Don't pay attention to the valve covers or intake because that's just garbage covering it up. There's some more parts. Yeah. So there we go. So we'll come back in here after Sean gets a little base on there. You see she's all sealed up. We had to wrap it up real good there because it's still got the headliner in it. But things are coming along.
Before you go,
yes, sir.
what exactly am I painting? The top.
Oh, yeah,
and then,
right down into there. Yeah, exactly.
and the bottom then too?
Yep, because this is basically the cutoff line right here.
Yeah.
This here down, and then that would be the other color. But yeah, right down in.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yep,
and that clock thing, wherever it went, that you
Yeah.
had. Yeah, yeah. Perfect. All right. Okay. We'll get out of here. Yes, is an exciting day. So we're going to have all the interior painted up by tonight with the engine painted up. Tranny's all done, painted up because it's been gone through. I got a few pieces over here. It was running, back in the day they were running old exhaust manifold ram horns. I had those all glass beaded and done up. There they are. Look at that, eh? Top of the line. Little shield between the tranny. Still got a bunch more. Look at this. Look how old this starter is. You never see them with the old Bendix and all, like, that lever action. Like, you just don't see that anymore. Wow, that's awesome. So I'm actually going to have the starter taken down. There's a guy locally, I'm going to take the starter to him. He's going to rebuild that sucker. So rather than putting a modern one on it, right? So that's pretty damn cool. So we'll be back out of here in a couple minutes. Sean will get some color laid down there. Like I said, George, he's my painter. He's coming over, and you know, I'll give him a little bit of a hand tonight with some of the parts. You might want to move them around. So yeah, it's all right. We should be finished by 11 o'clock or 12 tonight, but it's all worth it, right? I got to burn the midnight oil on this car. Now it's basically me and Sean, and then George is just painting her up. I gotta burn the midnight oil because every weekend I'm not here. I'm gone away. Next weekend I'm gone from Thursday on. The following weekend I'm gone from Friday on. Like, I'm just not here. So I'm narrowing it down to just evenings now. Basically Sunday to Wednesday evenings, doing what I can. And trust me, I'm not working on it every night either, but I will make this deadline, or at least I'll try. I'll try my hardest. Okay, see you back in a bit. Okay, let's check it out. So it's 7 o'clock now, and I've been busy working away. Manifolds are there. Got the tranny, dragged it out. It's all been gone through. Just painting up some of the parts and pieces. Harmonic balancer, nice satin black. The fork for your throwout bearing, nice satin black. Just going through a few things. Let's go see. There's the radiator for the car, actually right there. It's going down tomorrow and getting all redone. All right. Let's go check out what's going on. Sean's gone now. He went home. He went home like an hour ago. So I'm still out here playing. And he got the base coat all put up on the top of the dash. So let me turn this radio down. They don't like the radio apparently. So the color you're about to see is the correct color. And how do I know it's the correct color? Well, Court Elliott was the one that had the car painted by Freddie Welsh, painted it. These are the colors it was painted. So this is the top of the dash without clear coat on it. You can see, look at this. Wait till the clear's on later tonight. This is what the clock goes in. Sits on top of the dash. All the rest of this is a different color. The interior was two-tone. So, oh God, I gotta sit down. There we go. There's all the top of the dash. Now, we'll come in here tonight and we'll mask it off, right? Like, see, he's got it under there. We'll mask it off in this line under here. So this will all stay this color, and then below that will be the other lighter color. And yeah, he did a good job. And the clock goes up top here in the center of the dash. So I skipped the corner, you know, I skipped a step right there. I didn't pull the gauges out. I have to cut some corners if I want to make the deadline. And to be quite honest with you, they never pulled any of that part when they painted it either, and I know they didn't because I can see all the overspray and all this stuff. So I cleaned a lot of it off. So we're doing good. I pulled as much as I could off for now. Got a new glove box liner, all that kind of shit too. Got that laying in the house. So that's perfect. If anyone is out there watching this video who has a 51, 52 Chevy, I would really appreciate it if they'd be willing to tell me a price they'd want for a clock delete. Or not, a radio delete. Please, if anyone has a radio delete for this car, can you let me know? I really need a radio delete. So there we go there. Now, like I say, so the engine and all the other moldings, they're going back the other color, which was a lighter color, and I'm painting the engine. We're going to paint the engine the lighter color. Now, when Court had the car, like I said, it had a 6-cylinder in it. It was a hopped up little 6, and then he bought a parts car, 55 Chev, and they pulled the 265 out of it. It was a good running motor, and apparently Jack went through it and did a little bit of work to it and put it back in the car. And when it went in the car, I asked Court, well, what color was it? Court said, I don't know why. He goes, but we left it green. He goes, it was green when in 55 Chevy. He goes, we left it green. He goes, we left it green. We had a pair of Corvette fin valve covers. We had a chrome air cleaner, and that was it. I was like, oh, okay. So I thought, you know, seeing how I'm doing this, maybe I get to put my little twist on this car. So my little twist, like I said, was I painted the firewall. The color the car is going, body color, which it never was. It was just rattle can black. And I'm going to paint the engine the lighter color of the interior. So when you pop the hood, you get that contrast under the hood, plus in the interior. And I think that'll look sharp. And I've got the Corvette fin valve covers. I've had a set here forever. I got them all polished up. And I got the chrome air cleaner. So what can I say? So that's my little twist of what I'm doing to this car. And you know, and I don't think what I'm doing my little twist is hurting it in any way. I think if anything, it's probably the next step, whether it been Court or Bruce Metcalf, the next owner, it would have been the next step that they would have done. They would have said, hey, the car is known for how it looks outside and inside. Let's start detailing under the hood and in the trunk area. And that's where I get to play with it a bit. And that kind of makes me happy. So these, like I say, these are not being used. We just leave them on there so you don't get no overspray in there. So that's it. We're doing good, good, good. I'm super happy. Oh my God, I can't wait. Anyway, okay. Okay, guys, well, you got to see that. We'll be back in a bit when we get some more paint on it. Kind of hard to understand me. Got my mask on because I'm going in the paint room. Let's see how Carried Away is doing. I hear him spraying. Get in here, get a little action down. There you go. Hey! All good. Oh, looky. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, well, I'm still got the harmonic balancer painted and engine mounts painting away. Let's go check out the car, folks. Let's go check it out. Hell yeah, it's a good night. Hell yeah. Wednesday night, and I think it's down near 11 o'clock. Hey, what the hell, right? Let her rip, tater chip. Isn't that what they say? You guys ready? Are you ready? Now, I can't unmask it to show you the two-tone together, but here we go. There's our bell housing. Whoop, keep the fucking flies out. Bell housing painted. Intake manifold, I kept it. Nice old school original intake manifold. Didn't do anything I shouldn't do. Here's the molding, goes around the rear window. Front window moldings. Door moldings. Oh, she's looking fine. Mighty fine. And if you remember the color on the top of the dash, here we go. There's the clock piece right there. Light's not doing it justice there. Engine, like I said, I went with the interior color for the engine. Nothing too fancy. I mean, is it perfect? No. I don't mean the paint job ain't perfect, but I mean, it's just, you know, looks good. But went through the engine, freshened her right up. Glove box door, new water pump, all sorts of brackets, all sorts of shit hanging there. Everything's looking good. Now, for the big debut. Ta-da! Ta-dum! There she be. So that's it. There you go. Oh yeah. It's a good one today. Or tonight. Or whatever the hell it is. I don't know. I'm done. I'm exhausted. I'm going in. Thank you all for subscribing. Thanks for watching. This is a big step on Carried Away. Interior parts and pieces are painted. Engine parts are almost all done and painted. Engine is going to be going together with tranny and everything this Sunday. Next thing we're going to be on this car is getting the firewall prepped, all the door jambs prepped, and painting them. Then you'll get to see the body color in real life, and that'll be the good one. Hey, it's always a good time and old time. Remember, car show August 27th, Mission Raceways. See you there.